Someone recently asked me what the qualifications are to be a justice of the Texas Supreme Court. It's a great question, and it has three parts: the legal answer, the practical answer, and the right answer. First, the Texas Constitution provides the minimum standards for being one of the nine justices. You have to be at least 35, you have to be a U.S. citizen and a Texas resident, and you have to be a lawyer licensed in Texas who has been in practice or been a judge for at least 10 years, during which time your law license can't have been revoked or suspended. There are thousands and thousands of Texans who can satisfy those very minimal requirements. So, second, there's a practical answer, and that is that someone can't serve a full term on the Supreme Court of Texas without being elected by the people of Texas, as I discussed in an earlier video to an earlier question. So, no matter how good or bad you are, if you're 35 or older and have been a lawyer for a decade or more, all you really need is to win an election. Which brings me to the third answer, and in my view, the most important one. To be qualified to be a justice, someone must have a deep commitment to understanding the judicial role and what makes it different from the work of other elected officials. The people elect our judges, but not to be policymakers. A good justice must be committed to applying the law as written, but that's not enough. A good justice also has to have the ability to understand the difference between what the law actually is and what, as an individual, we might prefer that it be. A good justice has to be someone who is both willing and able to make rulings that we dislike, because the job of a justice is not to like our decisions. The job of a justice is to get the rulings right. In my time as a justice, I've been committed to deciding the legal questions presented in every single case to the best of my ability according to the law and nothing but the law. And as long as I have the honor to serve you as a justice on your Supreme Court, that's what I'll continue to do every single day. Thank you for your questions. Please keep sending them to me. You can write to me at ask@justiceevanyoung.com or send them to me directly through my social media.